Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Driver Side Windshield A-Pillar Trim. This driver side windshield A-Pillar trim is exclusively for the Ford Explorer from 2011 to 2018. GWA Auto Parts also carries the passenger side windshield A-Pillar trim, so if you would like both, just reach out to us and we could help with that. Your A-pillar trim separates the windshield from the body of your vehicle, providing, in this case, a sleek black contrast. But that's where the trouble starts. With the original A-pillar trim pieces, they are known to come loose, crack, fade, or warp due to elements such as direct heat, cold, or moisture. While this driver side windshield A-pillar trim is not the genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, thanks to the factory mounting locations, inner mounting bracket, new weather stripping, and of course the high quality smooth black finish identical to the OEM part. The one big difference here is this part is made with robust plastic for increased durability. Installation of the driver's side windshield A-pillar trim is pretty simple. First, remove your old one by popping off the top piece, then the mounting bracket. Reinstall in reverse order. One note here, try using a plastic tip edge if needed to remove the original, as a metal screwdriver might scratch your glass or paint if it slips. If you have any questions about this driver side windshield A-pillar trim, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.